Hi friends, in the last videos we covered what is the syntax of for loop, while loop, infinite loops, nested loops like. Sir, now almost around 10 to 15 pattern examples I want to explain now. Take a bit very special care, sir, to understand these. Okay, not that much easy things, right? Just by simply listening or by simply saying you won't get anything. Sir, each and every example compulsory you require to practice. So first example practice you did, yes, you got the same output, so you understand the code properly, then go for the next pattern example, right, so that you will get much clarity on this concept. Take very special care. Sir, now my requirement is, of course, very basic example to peak level we will move. Sir, first example, can you please print sir, star symbol n number of times in the same row with the space separator. Okay, enter n value. Okay, enter n value. You have to read the n value from the keyboard and print the number of stars in the same line. What is the way, sir? Suppose if you entered 3, then my output should be, sir, star space star space star. This is the output, sir. If I entered 5, then my output should be star star star, like 5 stars I have to print. Sir, what is the code? Of course, don't feel, sir, it is a pattern example. So from this basics to next level we will go. Sir, first how you can do that? Very simple. Read the n value. N is equal to int of input of here enter n value, like this I am taking, sir. Enter n value. Okay, now for I in range of n, assume that if I entered 3, then range of n means 0, 1, 2, sir. Range of n means 0, 1, 2, means n times it's going to execute. Sir, if I can take simply print star, if I can take star, so how many stars will be printed? N number of stars will be printed, because I am taking for loop which is going to execute n times. But there is a small problem is there with this code. Of course, that part we will fix. Let me execute up to this, right? Have a look once. Here I am taking n is equal to int of input of enter n value, like I am taking, sir. Enter n value, like. Sir, now my requirement is for I in range of n, sir. For I in range of n, okay, print star. I want to print a star symbol, right? So what is the problem with this is, okay, of course, let me execute this one, sir. Have a look once. Let me execute this code, py test.py. Have you observed enter n value? 3 I am taking, sir. Then automatically, sir, the output is going to come in 3 lines. First print, second print, 3 times, 3 lines it's going to get, sir. Okay, but my requirement is not this one. I want star space star and then star, like so with the space separator in the same line I want, sir. This is my requirement. Sir, are you seeing what is the problem with that? It's always going to print star star star, like I don't want like this. In the same line I want. What is the way, sir? Is, sir, after print statement, don't enter \n, new line character. So I want in the same line. That's why we will go for end attribute. What the default value for end attributes are? \n means it will go to the new line. But I don't want \n. Okay. Now, sir, which separator, which end attribute you want? Space. Are you getting? Space I want, sir. So how many times it's going to execute? N number of times. Assume 3. If I enter 3. Sir, print of star. Now star printed, and after print immediately end space is going to come. Okay. Now next time for loop again print sir space. Okay. Next again print next space. Okay. Sir, means that my required format we are going to get. Sir, which attribute we require to go for? Sir, end attribute we require to go for. Take a bit very special care. Now have a look once. Here I am taking Here I'm taking print comma end is equal to just a space. I'm taking end is equal to just a space. Like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, observe very carefully what answer we are going to get, sir. Enter n value 3. Now I'm getting 3 stars. Okay. If I entered 4, now 4 stars. If I entered 7, then automatically 7 stars. If I enter 10, then obviously 10 stars by default is going to come, sir. Perfect. Now we are in the position to print, sir, specified number of stars, n number of stars in the same row. Is it clear for all of you, right? Sir, very basic example. Just execute this code and confirm the output, sir, before going to the next level. Clear?